Assalamualaikum to Miss Fat. Today I am Muhammad Hakim.
And I am Muhammad Muzaiham.
Today we explain our assignment with a video. Hello everybody, now let's start the first question. Okay, the following table show the information of type of files by the phone shop footage. As you all can see in the table, for first day, brand X is 5 units sold, and for brand Y is 3 units sold. And the second day, for brand X is 7 units sold, and for brand Y are 4 units sold. Okay, and total sales for 2 days work. First day, get 3,250 ringgit, and second day, get 4,450 ringgit. Okay, let's see the first question. Okay, let's see the first question. The first one is show the above information in of matrix equation. How to do that? Okay, firstly, we need to exchange the information in the table to linear equation. Okay, let's do it. For firstly, we get 5 unit X are sold and 3 unit for brand Y, and the total of salary is 3,250 ringgit. Okay, and the second day we got 7 model X and the 4 for model Y are sold, and got salary 4,550 ringgit. Okay, now what we need to do? Okay, we need to exchange the linear equation to a metric equation. Okay, let's see how to solve it. Okay, you see, we need to use this formula. Okay, X A multiplied with X equal to B. What is X? X is the A. What is A? A is how many units are sold in 2 days. You need to make in the row and column. Okay, in the first row is 5 and 3 because it is the first day. In the second day, in the second row, we use 7 and 4 because it is the second day. Okay, what is X? X is a brand the shop sale, the brand of the phone sale. So we have the brand X and brand Y. The total sale in first row is 3,250, and the second row 4,550. Okay. So we need to become this formula. That so this is the matrix equation and the answer for this question. Okay? Okay, let's go to the second equation. Hence, by using matrix equation, we can find the selling price of brand. Okay. For this question, we need to use this formula. X equation equal. Okay, now let's calculate. For this, we get 1 over minus 1, and we need to multiply with this bracket. Okay, now 1 over minus 1 need to multiply with all this number in the bracket. Okay. how to multiply. So multiply. Okay. Let's calculate this. Negative 4 multiply with 3250 plus with 3 multiply 4550 ringgit, and 7 multiply with 3250 plus negative 5 multiply with 4550 ringgit, and you can get this. Again, for the first row you get 3350, and the second row is 500. So the answer for this question is x equal to 350 and y 500. So this is the answer. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, so we move to the second question. This question is a question from the topic vector in engineering vector. Okay, so let's solve this question. This question is ABC is an equilateral triangle. Point X, Y, and Z are the midpoint. This point X, Y, Z are the midpoint. Okay, the information that given to us for this question is vector A to B equal to magnitude A, and vector AC equal to magnitude B. So the first question is find the vector of vector X to Y. So we have to find the magnitude for the vector X to Y. So X to Y, we can do like this. So we have to find the short way from X going to Y. So for the question, I have found the answer is we have to go from this point to A, X to A, and we have to go A to Y. So we write this equation to this question. So vector xy equal to xa, vector xa plus ay. So how we going to find this magnitude for xa and ay? Okay, let's see the information that this question gives. This question gives is vector A to C is B. So the question also says X, Y, and Z are the midpoint. So X is the midpoint of A to C. So it means magnitude B is for A to C. So when we want to find the half of way vector AC, we have to find half of the magnitude. So X to A is 1 over 2 C to A, but the information given vector A to C is positive B, but this time we use C to A, so we're going to reverse the magnitude from B to negative B, and then we find how we find this vector A to Y. Vector AY, we already know that magnitude for vector AB is positive A. So Y is the midpoint for the vector A to B. So A to Y must be half of A to B. So we have to put 1 over 2 multiplied by magnitude AB. Magnitude AB is positive A. So for the answer is I take this A for into the 2 A plus when positive find negative, they have to change the sign to negative 1/2 B. So this is the final question for vector x to y. Okay. Cibu. Okay. And then let's go with the question B. For the question B, we have to find the vector of x, z. So firstly, we have to find the short way from point x to point z. Okay, I see the short way is we have to go from x to c and go c to z. Okay, so the equation will be x z vector x z equal to x c plus c z. Okay, how we find the magnitude for xc? Okay, as we know, the information gives us that vector AC, the magnitude is B. So, same as this question, x is the midpoint of vector A to C. So, we have to take the half of the magnitude. So, we have to 1/2 multiplied by A to C is magnitude B. So, we have to multiply 1/2 multiplied by B. Okay, and then how we get C vector CZ? Okay, we have been given that okay, now we have to find vector CZ magnitude. Okay, now we are not given the magnitude for point C to B. So we have to take a long way from C to A to B to get vector CB. Okay, so the equation must be like this. 1/2 multiplied by CA and AB. CA vector CA plus vector AB. Okay. Now let's include the magnitude of CA and AB in this question. Okay, we just copy this plus 1/2. Okay, CA we have given that AC is positive B. So when we want to find the vector of CA, we have to reverse this magnitude to negative B. So the answer will be negative B plus AB is magnitude A. Okay, for the next step, we have to multiply 1/2 with negative B and 1/2 plus positive A. Okay, so the answer will be 1/2 B plus 1/2. So when positive 1/2 multiplied by negative B, positive multiplied by negative, we will get negative. Okay, so 1/2 negative B. Okay, and then positive 1/2 multiplied by A, we also get positive 1/2 A. So let's solve this equation. So when 1/2 B minus by 1/2 B, this will be N, and the answer will be 1/2 A. So the final answer is vector xz equal to magnitude 1/2 A. Okay, for the last question, for this question 2, is we have to find vector for zy. So how we going to get vector zy is we use the shortest way from point Z to point Y. So from Z we have to go to B, and B we go to Y. So vector zy equal to zb plus by. Okay, for the next step we have to find half of C to B. Okay, half to C to B, we already get 1 over 2 multiplied by negative B plus A. Okay, so we just put the equation is 1 over 2 multiplied by negative B plus positive A. And then how we got B1 is the question gives us information that vector A to B must be positive A. But this time we have to find half of B to A. When we want to find B to A, we have to reverse the magnitude from positive to negative. But this time we also use half of B to A. So we have to plus 1 over 2. We have to plus 1 over 2. B to A must be negative A. Okay. So for the next step is we have to multiply 1 over 2 with negative B and positive A. Okay, let's multiply this equation. So we're gonna get negative 1 over 2 B plus 1 over 2 A plus 1 over 2 okay, when positive multiplied by negative, we will get negative here. So positive 1 over 2 multiplied by negative A, we're gonna get 1 over 2A. Okay, from this equation we have to settle this A and magnitude A. So when positive 1 over 2A minus 1 over 2A is done. It will be 0. So the final answer of vector Z to Y will be magnitude negative 1 over 2B. Okay, this is all the answer for this second question. So that's all for me. Thank you. Bye bye.